2005 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country SE376DS for sale in Mount Marion, New York 12456. Spread your wings and fly with this 2005 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country SE376DS. This Class A motorhome is 37.6 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Caterpillar diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 37,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Coachman will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2005 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country SE376DS is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great layout, great cooking area with 3-burner stove and convection microwave / oven refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen SinkDinette with bench seating television surround sound DVD / CD / StereoSofaChairsLarge bathroom with ShowerMaster queen-size bed full master closet / DresserOnan GeneratorAir air conditioner and so much more. This 2005 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country SE376DS is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Coachman is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2005 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country SE376DS.